Hello guys! So, i-unbox natin yung tatlong entry ng ating mga participants para sa second Igorot Blade Owners Blade Contest. May tatlo tayong participants. Contestant number 1 natin is Dimin Jones Sharp Blades from Aguinaldo, Ifugao. Tapos yung second contestant natin is Conrad Pinayan ng Banawe. Third participant natin is si Dexter Dolnuan ng Banawe. So ito guys, yung mga output nila. Ipipresent natin and magkakaroon tayo ng online votation. Let us know in the comment section below sinong entry o kaninong entry ang napupusuan natin. This would be added as a 20% ng kanilang final score. 20%, gawin nating 20% ng kanilang final score. And ito yung kanilang mga output. Bali, ang theme natin ngayon is modern and native. They are required to come up with a buoy profile in Nihalong handle. Ito ang entry number 1 natin, produced by our contestant number 1. Kamagong yung scabbard niya, Nihalong handle. Yan yung profile na buoy na design niya. Ito naman yung second entry natin, output of our contestant number 2. And ito yung version niya ng buoy. Ito naman yung third entry natin, submitted by our contestant number 3. Ito ang kanyang version ng buoy. Comment on the comment section below. 1, 2, 3. Which is your choice? Thank you for tuning in with our channel. God bless.